Did you know that we at SEW-EURODRIVE are able to perform repairs on products that are phased out years ago? In some cases, we are able to repair gear units from the early 60s. During the product development, we focus on the repair processes worldwide, and it doesn't matter if it is done in our service facilities, workshops, or at the customer site. This will help us to save costs and reduce the response time to our customers. In terms of this, we are already strong at SEW. Now we are trying to use our expertise to improve our products and the downstream service processes. We have started to evaluate our current product portfolio regarding the disassembly and the repair. These results we want to use for upcoming products to define the eco-design.
In eco-design, we need measurable KPIs. We have our own SEW repair index based on the so-called repairability scoring system of the European Union. The SEW repair index shows on a 10-stage scale how effectively and efficiently a product can be repaired or maintained. For example, if no special tool is required for disassembly, the index value increases. With our SEW repair index, we are absolute pioneers. At SEW-EURODRIVE, we focused on long-term relationships with our customers, and supported by our repair index, our products will continue to run for many years to come.